Hello everyone, thanks for watching. On today's video tech tip, we'll be looking at SwordCam and the 3D text engrave feature that it has. SwordCam is unique from some other softwares because it can do engraving with dual line text, and it can actually make the engraving bit touch both sides of the line, so it'll actually raise and lower the Z height if it comes to an area where it needs to get thinner. Let's dive into the software and see what this looks like. If I had to engrave these letters on this door, you can see I already have some other programming written with SwordCam, but I don't have an engraving operation for this written yet. All I have to do is drag an engraving cutter into the program just by dragging it and dropping it into SolidWorks there. And then I can go to the SwordCam tab and we have to grab our sketch first. So I've got this sketch here, and then I can go to the SwordCam tab and choose milling, choose that engraving cutter and engraving, and add an operation just this easily. It's going to detect all of that text, and if it comes to the ends there, it'll even change the Z height. And let's take a look at our operation. I can simulate what the toolpath is going to look like just with the right click. And you can see it's going to move up and down with the tool as it goes along to keep it in contact with both sides of the sketch text. It's pretty cool. The end result would look like it was a 3D engraving because it's actually moving up and down.